Hey, what's up guys, it's Theo from Concept. So today I'm going to show you how to create a cartoon in Adobe Photoshop. Export it to Adobe After Effects where we are going to add in all the movement and animation. Then import it into Adobe Premiere Pro where we are going to make it a video sequence. So once you are done with all of that, we are going to render all our video using Adobe Media Encoder. So let's just get started. Welcome to Concept. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. For this tutorial, I'll be using Photoshop CC 2018. So all we have to do is just click and drag our image of reference we are going to use for this cartoon into the workspace. And boom, we have our cartoon. So make sure that every layer is named. So for the faces, I'm going to convert it to a smart object. And I'm going to do the same for the neck and ears, convert to smart object, for the hair, convert to smart object. The clothes, I've already done that. So I'm going to hide the background and the image I used. And once I'm done, I'll just save it up. So this is going to be a Photoshop file where we are going to export into Adobe After Effects. Now let's close this up. Now in After Effects, we are going to create a new composition 1080p. And we are going to import our work in there. So I'll click and drag it into the workspace. Now make sure editable layer styles is checked. So if you open up this group, you can see that all our images are in here. So I'll just click and drag that in here like so. Now I'll press S to bring up scale and scale it about 54%. So I'll just click and drag all of them beneath so that I get a perfect arrangement. Okay, so I think everything is looking fine. So I'll just pull this up to the top where the head is supposed to be. I'll bring this down. So let's position the neck as well. So I think the hair should be where it's supposed to be. So let me undo. And I'll bring the neck downwards like so. That is, I think over here is much better. Then I'll select the face and I'll click and drag that. Actually, I'm using the arrow down key on my keyboard. So if I zoom in, it's not perfect. Let me bring the sunglasses down. I'm supposed to send the hair up a little bit. I think somewhere around here should be just fine. Okay, so let's fit this to screen. Now if I highlight everything, we can move this to the bottom. I think this is looking okay already. So let's start animating this. So I'll first of all start with the sunglasses and I'll move this. You can see this is the x-axis. I want to move it up and down, so I'll move it from the top to bottom. So I'll go ahead and save this up and open Adobe Premiere Pro. Now in Premiere Pro, don't go to open project because it's not a new project. What you have to do is actually click and drag your work in there. So let me quickly find it that is saved right here. So I'll bring it in here like so. So now we have a sequence and I think it's a little bit too slow for me. So I'll just right click and I'll go to speed and duration, which is right here. So I'll increase the speed to about 200%. And that's about it. That's all for now. So once I've done that, I'm just going to render this out. So I'll open up Media Encoder and I'll click on this plus icon to import the Premiere Pro project. So try saying that fast. Premiere Pro project. And I'll just click on this green arrow right here. So like a play button. And this is going to render out for me. It's going to take a couple of seconds because this video is just 5 seconds. And basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.